It's Christmas season and it's time for us to design a snowball. You can place it in your class, in your room decoration. Okay, the first thing you have to do is to get a board and then you write your A, your B. You need to space it maybe 5 centimeter inches, okay, apart. A, B, A, B, A, B, A, like ba, ba, ba. Okay, and then all you have to do is to place your A4 sheet of paper, and the first thing you need to do is to identify the A letters. So you first glue the A all through, only the A for the first time. You glue the A all through. So we have one, two, three, four times that we need to do A here. Then you place the second sheet, the second A4 paper sheet, and then we'll go on to B. So we need to glue all B's. Is that okay? Then you place the third paper, and then all you have to glue is all A's. Is very, very. I would like to say welcome to my channel. Thanks for visiting me. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe to my channel. Please click the like button and please share this video. That will help me. Comment on this video, and that is going to go a long way. After subscription, keep on the notification bell. All right, so what we have to do is to keep on going, and then we keep going on until we get to the 40 sheets. Okay, the next thing is to get a circle, or if you can draw a perfect sector, you do that, and you have to create two of this. Is that okay? By the time you bring it together, it's going to form a circle. So this is it. I've cut it out, and then we have to place it on our glued A4 sheet. Is that okay? So after that, glue it onto your sheet, and then the next thing we have to do is to trim it out, because you need to glue it on top, on the first layer, the front side, and on the back side. And after that, what you have to do is to trim it out when it is dry. It's better you trim it out when it's dry so you can have neat edges. All right, thank you so much. I want to believe you are getting this tutorial. This is a free, and you can see I'm using just one hand because I use one hand to control the paper, one hand to control my camera. This is so funny. I actually want to see the output of this work, doing it all alone. Okay, so let's see how it goes. All right, then after this, we glue it. Please do let me have your comment section below how you see this design. It could be used in the house for your home decoration. You can use it in your school, in your offices. Is that okay? This is a fun design to make. Do this with your kids, and then let's have more fun at home. Now the next thing is, after gluing it together, we need to open it. But here now I need an assistant. Okay, thank you, Mr. Ariko, for helping out. So we need to open this board to see the beauty that we have been gluing all along. Check out the beautiful output of your gluing. Wow, isn't this beautiful? You could use different color of papers to make this, and then you have a beautiful design. Actually, I make just a sector of this and then place it on my door. Merry Christmas, family. Have a lovely holiday.